the research we're doing is all about understanding what's actually happening in the Southern Ocean. And while we have closed the life cycle in the lab and we can rear the eggs and the offspring in the lab, it could be different using eggs from the actual Southern Ocean that have received the nutrition that the animals are receiving in the Southern Ocean as opposed to the lab population. If we can catch krill going into Casey Station on the Aurora Australis, we'll unload them into IBCs, which are 1,000-litre bulk liquid carriers. When the flight comes in, they'll be taken out of here, loaded onto sleds, and then wrapped in a thermal blanket so that they won't freeze on the way up to the airport. They've got to make a 3-hour drive on a sled up into temperatures that are -20 or -30. So this is going way out of the comfort zone for krill. And then try and fly those back using the C-17. So we return krill to Australia from the Southern Ocean within about a day and a half of being caught. That'll bring perfect quality eggs to the laboratory in Hobart, which is something we've never had before, wild reared eggs. We need to study these krill because they're the principal part of the Antarctic ecosystem. They're like the keystone species. They feed on 250 species of plants in the ocean, the phytoplankton, and then they pass that energy up to all the charismatic megafauna, the things like whales and seals and penguins. So if something happens to the krill population and they're not there, all of these vertebrate predators are affected. So it's very important to understand it, especially with climate change occurring now.